Today we'll talk about how can you disable all notifications on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go down, you click here on your photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you just keep going down. You click here on push notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to all notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean you disable notifications now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.